Computer networks are the backbone of our digital world. They connect devices and enable communication. Cybersecurity is crucial for protecting these networks. It safeguards data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. In essence, cybersecurity ensures the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. Cybersecurity threats are constantly evolving. Attackers are becoming more sophisticated. They use advanced techniques to exploit vulnerabilities. To counter these threats, it is essential to understand the basics of cybersecurity. This includes concepts like firewalls, encryption, and intrusion detection systems. Cybersecurity is not just about technology, it's also about people. Human error is a significant factor in many cyber attacks. Therefore, educating users about cybersecurity best practices is paramount. This includes creating strong passwords and being wary of phishing scams. As our reliance on technology grows, so does the importance of cybersecurity. It's not just about protecting data, it's about protecting our way of life. From online banking to critical infrastructure, cybersecurity plays a vital role in our interconnected world. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming cybersecurity. It has the potential to enhance security measures significantly. However, it also introduces new challenges as cybercriminals leverage AI for malicious purposes. AI is being used to develop more sophisticated security tools. These tools can detect and respond to threats more effectively. For example, AI-powered intrusion detection systems can analyze network traffic patterns to identify anomalies. They can then take action to block malicious activity. On the other hand, AI is also being used by cybercriminals. They use it to automate attacks and make them more difficult to detect. For instance, AI can be used to create highly convincing phishing emails that are tailored to individual targets. The use of AI in cybersecurity is a double-edged sword. It has the potential to make us more secure, but it also has the potential to make us more vulnerable. As AI continues to evolve, it will be crucial to stay ahead of the curve and develop strategies to mitigate the risks. Quantum computing is an emerging technology with the potential to revolutionize many fields, including cybersecurity. It leverages the principles of quantum mechanics to perform operations on data in ways that are impossible for classical computers. This capability poses both significant challenges and opportunities for cybersecurity. One of the most significant concerns with quantum computing is its potential to break current encryption methods. Many encryption algorithms rely on the difficulty of factoring large numbers, a task that quantum computers could potentially perform exponentially faster than classical computers. This could render sensitive data protected by these algorithms vulnerable to attacks. However, quantum computing also offers opportunities to enhance cybersecurity. Quantum cryptography, for example, explores ways to use quantum mechanics to create theoretically unbreakable encryption methods. Additionally, quantum computing could be used to develop more sophisticated security tools for tasks like threat detection and vulnerability analysis. The development of quantum computing is still in its early stages, but it is crucial to start preparing for its impact on cybersecurity now. Researching and investing in quantum-resistant encryption methods and exploring the potential of quantum-enhanced security tools will be essential to navigate the cybersecurity landscape of the future. The attack surface in cybersecurity refers to all the points where an unauthorized user could potentially access a system or network. The rapid digital transformation we are witnessing, driven by technologies like cloud computing and the Internet of Things, or IoT, is dramatically expanding this attack surface, creating new challenges for cybersecurity professionals. Cloud computing, while offering numerous benefits, introduces new vulnerabilities. Data stored in the cloud is susceptible to various threats, from data breaches at cloud service providers to misconfigured cloud security settings. Organizations must adopt robust cloud security measures, such as encryption, access control, and regular security audits to mitigate these risks. The Internet of Things, or IoT, is another area of significant concern. IoT devices, often with limited security features, are being deployed at an unprecedented scale, connecting everything from household appliances to critical infrastructure components. This interconnectedness creates a vast network of potential entry points for cybercriminals. As the digital landscape evolves, Securing the expanding attack surface requires a proactive and adaptive approach. Organizations need to implement comprehensive security strategies that encompass all aspects of their digital infrastructure, from cloud environments to IoT devices. Section 5. A landscape of cyber threats from phishing to ransomware and beyond. The cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving, with new threats emerging regularly. Cybercriminals employ a wide range of tactics to compromise systems, steal data, and disrupt operations. Understanding these threats is crucial for individuals and organizations to implement effective defense mechanisms. Phishing attacks remain one of the most common and effective cyber threats. These attacks typically involve fraudulent emails or messages designed to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information such as passwords or credit card details. Cyber criminals are increasingly using sophisticated techniques like spoofing legitimate email addresses and creating convincing fake websites to deceive their victims. Ransomware attacks have become increasingly prevalent and damaging. In a ransomware attack, cyber criminals use malware to encrypt an organization's data, rendering it inaccessible. They then demand a ransom payment in exchange for the decryption key. These attacks can cripple businesses, healthcare institutions, and even government agencies, highlighting the importance of robust data backup and recovery plans. Malware, a broad term encompassing various malicious software, continues to pose a significant threat. From viruses and worms to Trojans and spyware, malware can infiltrate systems through various means, such as malicious email attachments, compromised websites, or software vulnerabilities. Once inside a system, malware can steal data, spy on user activity, or provide attackers with unauthorized access to networks. Section 6. Recent cyber attacks. A stark reminder of the evolving threat landscape, recent cyber attacks have highlighted the evolving nature of cyber threats and the need for constant vigilance. These incidents serve as stark reminders of the potential consequences of cyber attacks and the importance of robust cybersecurity measures. The Change Healthcare ransomware attack, which disrupted their network and affected healthcare billing processes, demonstrates the vulnerability of critical infrastructure to cyber attacks. The attack caused widespread disruption, affecting healthcare providers and patients alike. This incident underscores the interconnected nature of our digital world and the potential for cyber attacks to have far-reaching consequences. The SolarWinds breach, a significant supply chain attack that occurred between 2019 and 2020, exposed the vulnerability of software supply chains. Cybercriminals inserted malicious code into software updates for a widely used network management platform. This allowed them to gain access to the networks of numerous organizations, including US government agencies. The SolarWinds attack highlighted the importance of supply chain security and the need for organizations to carefully vet their software vendors. The Colonial Pipeline ransomware attack, which occurred in May 2021, targeted a major US fuel pipeline, causing a pipeline shutdown, fuel shortages, and a state of emergency declaration. This attack demonstrated the potential for cyber attacks to disrupt critical infrastructure and impact essential services. Section 7. Best practices for a secure future. Navigating the cybersecurity landscape. In today's digital landscape, cybersecurity is not optional, it's essential. Protecting against the ever-evolving threat landscape requires a proactive and multifaceted approach. By adopting best practices and implementing robust security measures, individuals and organizations can mitigate risks and safeguard their valuable data. Advanced encryption is crucial for protecting sensitive data from unauthorized access. As quantum computing threatens to break traditional encryption methods, adopting quantum-resistant encryption algorithms is becoming increasingly important. These algorithms are designed to withstand attacks from both classical and quantum computers, ensuring long-term data security. Identity-based security is gaining prominence as a way to verify identities and prevent unauthorized access. Biometrics, multi-factor authentication, and other identity-based security measures provide an extra layer of protection beyond traditional passwords, making it more difficult for attackers to impersonate legitimate users. Threat detection and response capabilities are essential for identifying and mitigating cyber threats in real time. Employing security information and event management, SIEM systems, intrusion detection systems, IDS, and other threat detection tools can help organizations detect suspicious activity, analyze threats, and respond swiftly to security incidents. Section 8. The importance of a zero-trust model in today's threat landscape. The traditional approach to cybersecurity, often referred to as perimeter security, focuses on building strong defenses around the network perimeter. However, in today's interconnected world, where users and devices are constantly accessing networks from various locations, this approach is no longer sufficient. The zero-trust model is a security framework that assumes no user or device can be trusted by default, regardless of their location within or outside the network. It requires all users and devices to be authenticated and authorized before being granted access to any resources. Implementing a zero-trust model involves several principles: verifying explicitly, using least privileged access, assuming breach, and micro-segmentation. By verifying every access request, granting only the necessary permissions, and segmenting networks to limit the impact of a potential breach, organizations can significantly enhance their security posture. Adopting a zero-trust approach is crucial for organizations of all sizes, especially with the increasing adoption of cloud computing, remote work, and bring-your-own-device (BYOD) policies. By assuming that breaches are inevitable, organizations can better prepare for and mitigate the impact of cyber attacks. Section 9. Staying ahead of the curve: cybersecurity conferences and continuous learning. The field of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, with new threats emerging and technologies advancing at a rapid pace. Staying ahead of the curve requires continuous learning, professional development, and staying informed about the latest trends and best practices. Cybersecurity conferences play a crucial role in this regard. They provide a platform for cybersecurity professionals, researchers, and vendors to come together to share knowledge, discuss emerging threats, and explore the latest security solutions. Attending these conferences offers numerous benefits, gaining insights into emerging threats. Conferences often feature presentations and keynotes from leading experts in the field who share their insights into the latest cyber threats, attack vectors, and vulnerabilities, learning about new technologies and solutions. Conferences provide an opportunity to explore the latest cybersecurity technologies and solutions from leading vendors. This can help organizations make informed decisions about their security investments, networking with peers and experts. Conferences offer invaluable opportunities to network with peers, industry experts, and potential mentors. Sharing experiences, best practices, and insights can help cybersecurity professionals stay ahead of the curve. Some of the key cybersecurity conferences to consider attending in 2025 include Secure World, RSA Conference, Gartner Security and Risk Management Summit, Black Hat USA, Blue Team Con, InfoSec World, and ISC2 Security Congress. These conferences offer a wealth of information, training sessions, networking opportunities, and continuing professional education (CPE) credits. In addition to attending conferences, cybersecurity professionals should stay updated through online resources, industry publications, webinars, and training courses. Continuous learning is essential for maintaining a strong security posture and protecting against the evolving threat landscape.